Life is a little bit better with our laundry detergent green sheets. They're the eco-friendly and mess-free alternative to traditional laundry detergents, and I'm going to show you how to use them. Your order will arrive in a slimline box like this. Inside, there's enough laundry detergent green sheets for 64 loads. Now let's get a load on. When it's time to do your laundry, grab your pack, simply slide open the box and take out a sheet. For a regular load, just tear along the perforated edge to get a single sheet. Just toss the sheet directly into the drum before adding your clothes. And that's it. Green sheets work on any cycle, but to save energy, I recommend choosing the Eco Cycle. The natured powered ingredients clean any piece of clothing, including delicates and denim. The sheet will fully dissolve by the end of the wash cycle. Now your clothes are clean and fresh and ready to get dirty all over again.